Welcome to the Refurbike series. I will show you how I made thousands of dollars finding, fixing, and selling bikes, and how you can do the same. Starting with a bike found by a dumpster, I will walk you through all the steps to refurbish this bike and make a profit. In this episode, I will show you how to find bikes for free, or practically for free. I would start by searching for free bikes on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace, because I have found the majority of the bikes that I sell on these platforms. On the analog side of things, always keep your eyes out on the dumpsters and alleys. Bicycles are thrown out due to what I call the buy cycle. Bikes start their life when they are purchased new, then they are ridden for 2 to 4 years. During this stage of their life, bicycles receive frequent tune-ups, care, and services. However, moving to the next stage, a bicycle undergoes the hibernation phase. In this stage, the bike is put away in a garage, under a deck, or wherever the owner chooses to put it. The environment of the long-term storage site determines the condition of the bike in its future. For example, a bike left outside will be exposed to rain and snow, causing water to get into the bike, leading to rust. If a bike is kept inside of a garage, it may just collect lots of dust. After a bike stays in hibernation, its owner will become frustrated with how it gets in the way of their life, and that is when a bike is sold cheaply or even given away. With its new owners, the bike is revived back to life. From here, the buy cycle repeats itself. Make sure to stick around for next week's video, where I show you the first steps to refurbishing free bikes and selling them for a profit. I hope you found this video helpful, and I wish you good luck finding free bikes.